Failing to master Kubernetes development and testing means you're always the last one to know when servers go down due to inefficient or untested deployments. What it does: K3d is a tool that allows you to create lightweight Kubernetes clusters inside Docker containers. This is particularly useful for local development, CI/CD testing, and multi-node cluster simulation. K3d enables you to run a fully functional Kubernetes cluster on your local machine, without the need for a cloud provider or a complex setup. Command example. Breaking it down, K3d consists of several components that work together to create a Kubernetes cluster inside Docker containers. The main components are the K3d CLI tool. This is the command line interface that you use to create, manage, and delete K3d clusters. The K3d cluster. This is the actual Kubernetes cluster that is created inside Docker containers. Each cluster can have one or more nodes, and each node is a Docker container. The K3d node. This is a Docker container that runs a Kubernetes node. Each node can be either a worker node or a server node. The Docker network. This is the network that connects all the Docker containers in the K3d cluster. K3d uses a custom Docker network to enable communication between the nodes in the cluster. When you create a K3d cluster, the following happens internally. K3d creates a new Docker network for the cluster. K3d creates a new Docker container for each node in the cluster. K3d configures the Kubernetes components, such as the API server, controller manager, and scheduler, to run inside the containers. K3d configures the container networking to enable communication between the nodes in the cluster. Common mistakes. One common mistake when using K3d is not properly configuring the Docker network. This can lead to issues with communication between the nodes in the cluster. Another common mistake is not properly configuring the Kubernetes components, such as the API server and controller manager. This can lead to issues with the stability and functionality of the cluster. To fix these issues, you can try the following. Check the Docker network configuration to ensure that it is properly set up. Check the Kubernetes component configuration to ensure that it is properly set up. Use the K3d CLI tool to debug the cluster and identify any issues. Try this next. To practice using K3d, try creating a multi-node cluster with multiple worker nodes and a server node. You can use the K3d CLI tool to create and manage the cluster, and you can use the Kubernetes CLI tool to deploy and manage applications on the cluster. Pro tip: when using K3d in production, it's a good idea to use a container orchestration tool, such as Docker Swarm or Kubernetes, to manage the K3d clusters. This can help to ensure that the clusters are properly configured and managed, and that any issues are quickly identified and resolved. Additionally, you can use a CI/CD tool, such as Jenkins or GitLab CI/CD, to automate the creation and management of K3d clusters, and to integrate K3d with your existing development and testing workflows.